Sorry, another question.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, today I sent you the homework, ma'am. Like yesterday you gave the homework, I sent you today.
Same.
Ma'am, when I've sent the homework, I think you didn't see
Yes,
it.
I've seen that you have sent me. Correction immediately cannot be done because I'm in a class itself. So I can see that you have sent me. But
ma'am,
after that, seeing that, yes, Mary.
ma'am, I have doubt in 47th question.
6-digit number. First, find out the number which is divisible by these three numbers. Is which number?
Ma'am, I
LCM
took
or
LCM
HCF?
72.
LCM.
72. Yes, ma'am.
72. Now you have to find out the 6-digit number which is a multiple of 72.
6-digit number, which is a
Largest 6-digit number which is a multiple of 72.
oh, so we need to divide 72 with 1000. I mean, not 1000.
99999.
Okay.
And then remainder subtract.
Okay, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, and 49th question I have doubt. Ma'am.
we have solved that multiple times.
Ma'am, the thing is like last class and last class I couldn't follow properly because
No,
there
that
was
is not
power
there.
cut.
I'm on last class. It's much earlier.
Ma'am,
Yes, 1 second. Yeah, give her. This way you have to solve. Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am, I'm looking at it.
So this is n plus 1 and n plus 2 is there.
Yes, ma'am.
In the question it is n plus 2 and n plus 4 is there.
Okay, ma'am, I'll just see this number.
ma'am,
Yes, Mithun?
ma'am, third one answer, ma'am.
What? I'm not getting what?
Third one answer, ma'am.
Third answer. Third answer.
Okay, ma'am, I understood, ma'am.
Question number 3, Mithun.
63, ma'am. 63.
63.
Answer, ma'am.
Is 1.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Yesterday, from which question you have started solving?
From 40.
40 you have done.
41st.
41st. I will tell you the answers. Keep on checking.
1 second, ma'am.
57 question.
57 question, doubt or answer?
Doubt.
Let me open.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
57th one. Yeah. Akriti decided to distribute milk in an orphanage on her birthday. The supplier bought 2 milk containers of those containers. This milk has to be transferred to another container so that 7 liter and 11 liter of milk is left in both the containers respectively. What will be the maximum capacity of the drum? So both of them has to be transferred to the one more container. But after doing that, 7 and 11 left out. So you have to find out the LCM of both the numbers. Transfer to another container is left in both the containers respectively. Yes, that means HCF of two numbers you have to calculate.
HCF, ma'am.
HCF, but you have to subtract those remainder. These are the remainders.
Yes, ma'am. I got 17, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here it is. This number is there. So you have to, after transferring it to the another container, 7 liters left out. That means you have to find out, subtract 7 from both of them, 7 from the first and this 11 from the second one. Now the remaining number is exactly divisible by the number that you have to calculate.
Answer is 17, ma'am.
Even I got 17.
Ma'am, in the 52nd question, ma'am, isn't 6 cube plus 3 like it's like it is
Question
divisible.
number?
52.
Yeah, 57th one is 17 is the answer.
Thank you.
52. Show that any positive integer, odd positive integer is of this form. Yes, what happened in that?
Ma'am, here 6 cube plus 3, it is it is divisible, no, ma'am. Like
It is an odd number. Odd number, what is the criteria? Odd number criteria, it is of the form 2m plus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
2m plus 1, not divisible by 3.
Okay.
Should be divisible by 2. But after dividing with 2, we are getting 1 remainder.
Okay.
So it's not possible. It is odd number.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Any other doubts?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, for the 53rd main fourth part, ma'am, like I for 5q plus 4.
Yes.
Ma'am?
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, for 5q, ma'am, for 5q plus 4, ma'am, for that part, I squared it, ma'am. Then I took a square is equal to 5q plus 4 whole square, ma'am. When I did that, I'm getting the sign.
Solving it. Yeah, tell me the question. Square of any positive integer is. I'm getting my echo again whenever I'm speaking.
Ma'am, I'll unmute it, ma'am.
You have to show square of any integer is of the form. What is 5q? Then it was, what is that? Another
Ma'am,
one is 5q plus
1.
And 5q plus 4.
So,
So a is equal to 5q plus r. You will get r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So r is equal to 0. A is equal to 5q. A square is equal to 25q square. That is 5 into 5q square, which is 5m. Then r is equal to 1. So it is a is equal to 5q plus 1. So a square is equal to 25q square plus 10q plus 1. So from this we can take 5 common. So 5m plus 1 we will get. A is equal to 5q plus 2. So a square is equal to 25q square plus 20q plus 4. From this we cannot take 5 common. So from this one if we take 5 common we will get 5m plus 4. Then it is a is equal to 5q plus 3. Then a square is equal to 25q square plus 1530q plus 9. So 9 we can write as, we have to divide with 5. So we have to write there in the
10 minus
5.
1.
It is not 10 minus 1. You cannot write minus 5 plus 4. So this is 5m plus 4. And a is equal to 5q plus 4. That is equal to a square is equal to 25q square plus 22 is 40q plus 16. 16 you can write as plus 40q plus 15 plus 1. So from this we can take 5 common, then it will come 5m plus 1. So every square can be written in the form 5m, 5m plus 1 or 5m plus 4 only. We will not get 2 or 3 as a remainder. We will get any time whenever any square number is divided by 5, we will get either 1 or 4 as remainder. 0, 1 or 4 as a remainders. No any other remainders. Okay. Any other?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, is it not enough if we prove the first three cases for 0, 1 and 2?
Oh, everything you have to prove.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have a doubt in 59th question, ma'am.
A street shopkeeper.
Should we find HCF or LCM, ma'am?
A street shopkeeper prepares 396 gulab jamun and 342 rasgullas. He packed them in a combination. Each container consists of either gulab jamun or rasgullas. Many containers he is making from the small container, from these gulab jamuns. So that number of gulab jamuns in each container will be less or more. First thing, you are dividing this 396 into the containers. Shrilia.
Yes, ma'am.
So the number of gulab jamuns in each container will be less or more. Yes.
Ma'am,
Find the number of pieces he should put. Number of pieces in every container will be less or will be more than 396. Not getting your voice. You can type at least. In a chat box, write down answer. Yes, Shriya.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you see the question once more, ma'am?
59th only, right? Are you able to see?
Yes,
So here, he packs them in combination. Each container consists of either gulab jamuns or rasgullas, but have equal number of pieces. So whatever the gulab jamuns are there, every container has equal number of gulab jamuns. Find the number of pieces he should put in each box. In each box, the number of gulab jamuns are less than 396 or more than 396.
it will be
Less
Less
number.
than
So lesser number is HCF or LCM?
HCF.
LCF, ma'am.
HCF. So find HCF.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the 61st one, the linear equation.
Yeah, 72 HCF. It's expressed then in a linear combination of 72 and 124. What are the test steps? Can you tell me? 72 and 124. 124 is equal to 72 into 1 plus
Yes.
52.
52.
So 72 is equal to 52 into 1 plus 20. 50 is equal to 20 into 2 plus 12.
20 is
So
equal to
20 is equal to 12 into
1 plus 8.
1 plus 8. So 12 is equal to 8 into 1 plus 4. 8 is equal to 4 into 2.
1, 2.
Start from here. 4 is equal to 12 minus 8.
Yes, ma'am.
8 is equal to 20 minus 12. Now after that 12 is equal to 52 minus 20 into 2. Then it is 20. I'm writing all the remainder values. So 20 is equal to 72 minus 52. And 52 is equal to 124 minus 72. Now start moving upward. Start from 4 is the HCF.
Yes, ma'am. 4 is the
So
HCF.
start from this step. 4 is equal to 12 minus 8. 4 is equal to, substitute now 8 value. 8 we have 1 before term, whose value we have 8. Substitute that. 12 minus 20 minus 12. Simplify. 12 into 1. Now it is start writing multiplication. Minus 20 into 1 minus minus plus 12 into 1. Now 12 take common. What are the factors you will get? 12 into 1 plus 12 into 1. This is 12 into 2 minus 20 into 1. Now here replace now 12 value. So 12 is 52 minus 20 minus 2. 52 minus 20 into 2. Outside there is a 2 minus 20 into 1. Now again simplify. 52 multiply with 2 minus 20 into 4 minus 20 into 1. So this is 52 into 2. Now 20 is the same. So 20 into 4 plus 1, 5. Because minus minus, that means addition has to be done. 20 into 5. Now after 12, what is the number? 20. So we have to replace now 20. Although you have value of 52, immediately don't replace.
Yes, ma'am.
Step by step you have to keep on doing. So 52 into 2 minus, what is the value of 20? 72 minus 52. 72 minus 52 into 5. So 52 into 2 minus 72 into 5 minus minus plus 52 into 5. Now here, why I told you? Because here 52, again you will get it. So again you have to replace 52.
Yes, ma'am.
So it should be in proper order. 2 plus 5, that is 7, minus 72 into 5. And again 52 value you have. Now substitute the last value 52. That is 124 minus 72
Yes, ma'am.
into 7 minus 72 into 5. 124 into 7 minus 72 into 7 minus 72 into 5. Now combine 72, 124 into 7 minus 72 minus minus, that means addition we have to do, into 12. So 7 and 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubts? Any other doubts anyone has?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, ma'am, I have doubt in 54th one.
Ma'am, I'm sorry, I'm just, can you show the previous slide, like where you wrote the answer for 61?
Which is 61? I don't know the number.
Ma'am, this one only, ma'am, which you did, ma'am. Just 1 minute, ma'am, I'll just copy this. Ma'am, can you scroll down a bit?
I'm coming 2 minutes. Yes.
Ma'am,
Maybe this question here itself. All the
the
questions,
54.
that's what here I'm showing you. Every question I have solved the question. I've solved in the class.
Can you
Yes,
tell me
Vishnu.
the answer for the 41st one?
Okay, let her complete this one. Write this one. This we have done. 40, which one?
One, during a sale, color pencils were being sold in the pack of 20.
That is HCF you have to find out.
Yeah, but then I found it.
I will tell you. Answer you want, no?
Yeah.
41st one. Answer is 3 and 4.
I got 3 by doing the HCF. I don't know if I did it in the wrong way.
HCF is 9. No. What is the question? What is the question, that one?
During a sale, color pencils were being sold in the pack of 24
Yeah,
each.
the question.
Ma'am, I got 8 as the answer.
No.
Even I got 8.
No. Question is different. Wait.
It was
That question
wrong.
is
I got
different.
24.
During the sale, color pencils were being sold in the pack of 24 each and crayon in the pack of 32 each. If you want full pack of both and the same colors of pencils and crayons, how many packets of each would you need to buy? It is not HCF. You need to buy the packets which should have, after that you are distributing it equally. You want a full packs of both. How many full packs of both you needed? You are not distributing it.
So how many packets of 24 you need is what they're asking.
Yeah. So that is you are able to place them equally. So that is you have to find out LCM, not HCF.
Ma'am, can you please scroll it a little bit down?
Is that clear, Vishwaya?
Yeah.
You have to purchase more packets. So more means above 24 and 32. That means the number required is more than 24 and 32. That is the LCM. And then total number of this one you need, pencils and crayons you need, which is 32 and 24. So LCM is, find out LCM of 24 and 32.
96.
How much?
96, ma'am.
Yes, 96. 96, 32, 3 is 24, 4 is right. So it is 96 is there. So now how many, to make that 96, how many color pencil packets you have to purchase more? Total packets of color pencil is needed.
24 into
96 by 24. That is 4 packets.
And 32 by 9. Oh, okay.
96 by 32, that is 3 packets.
Mom, I took pencil and pen as X and Y.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, little more, can you please scroll, ma'am?
Ma'am, wasn't the Rasgulla question we just did something similar? But then that was HCF.
This is what was the question, gulab jamun. You are distributing it to
Oh,
small packets.
Oh.
And here that crayon and pencil is there. That's is many more number of packets you need.
okay. One is distributing and one's collecting. Okay.
Yeah, collecting more. So that is after that value, the this one you need. Then you are distributing it equally. So that is one packet should have equal number of crayons and equal number of pencils are needed.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please scroll it a little more, ma'am?
Mary, it's a problem is you are not taking the notes properly. Where you have written? All the first chapter notes?
Ma'am, I've written in my first book, ma'am, I have it.
Yeah, that all these questions are there. And I
Ma'am,
told
like
you
for
these
some
questions are very
classes-
important.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I searched in that book, but I couldn't find it. In this chapter for 2 classes, I was so.
So you can go through videos of this chapter. KV has one chapter. This chapter I've uploaded for KV batch.
Okay, ma'am. I'll do that.
Ma'am, which chapter are we starting next for revision?
I think so. It's 8:42 now. It is done. All doubts are clear still, or still any are there? If it is there, clear it.
Ma'am,
Still I have
Yes.
solved.
ma'am, there was a question in the assignment which you gave, ma'am. It was like 277x plus 468y or something. We should express the HCF and LCM. I don't know what is the question, ma'am.
Question number?
Uh,
Yeah. This one HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers.
yes, ma'am.
So find HCF, find LCM, multiply them, and equal to product of the two numbers 404 and 96.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, I just forgot, ma'am. The 53rd question. Ma'am, it might be easy also, but I don't remember.
Just now I solved that question.
Not 53rd, ma'am. 54.
54 just now she was copying. She was copying the same question from last 10 minutes.
No, ma'am, not n cube minus 1 divisible by 6.
So that is also the same. 53 and 54 are exactly same.
Okay.
Both are only the wordings different, but both are same. N cube minus n, write the factors. N minus 1, n and n plus 1. Those are three consecutive numbers.
Okay, ma'am, that question I understood. I didn't know they were same.
Both are exactly same. No change. Single line also.
Ma'am, these questions are not from the exam fair, right? You combined everything.
Everything combined, and if you do this much is enough, more than enough.
Ma'am, can you forward this PDF to me?
That is only you will mug up these questions, no?
No, like I want the previous questions before 41.
Yes, ma'am. It
Yeah,
will
ma'am,
be
please send.
revision for the exam.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
These questions you are revising. These questions you are revising till next March every time.
Okay, ma'am.
Same question.
Values I will change. 72 questions already one PDF I have given you, no? That's a hard copy I have given you. Those
Yes,
questions?
Yes, ma'am.
I guess I have to check, ma'am. I
Ma'am,
got
I've done it.
like 60 for the last ones. Yeah.
Will we be having science revision instead of
Yes.
maths? Like,
Yeah, ma'am.
Vishnu Maya, your problem is your maths is not good.
I know.
You have to practice more maths. Okay, any other doubts you have? Anyone? Any other doubts still left out?
No, ma'am.
Everything done?
Yeah.
Ma'am, 56th one, ma'am.
All the questions.
Ma'am, this is an over. Can I tell?
Mary, what question I told in the beginning? What question I told you to this one, write it down. In the beginning, I told you this one.
Ma'am, in today's class, ma'am.
Here, yes, today only. Just before some days, you were this one. I was explaining this question. I'll show you 1 second. This question you read?
Yes, ma'am.
So what
Ma'am,
is
I
the
took this snapshot to refer.
and this question and this question? What is the difference?
Ma'am, the thing is like I took the snapshot of that question which you had shown, ma'am, so I can refer it.
We were asking for 56 question only, and this was the question. I told you this is the answer, but this is in the form of n, n plus 1 and n plus 2. And the question is in the form of n, n plus 2 and n plus 4.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Like I didn't like look at the answer, ma'am. I took the snapshot directly to refer afterwards. That's
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you discuss the answers, ma'am?
Oh,
I'll send you all the answers.
Fine, ma'am.
And full worksheet with answers I will send you.
Ma'am, and also the trigonometry answers, the worksheet.
Trigonometry, each and every question we already have solved.
Okay.
Answers for solutions, okay, I will check. I'll tell you.
Mom, are you happy with the bio marks?
Corrected and sent you. I'm not saying yes. It's better. That's what I told you. Some of the
No.
students have copied.
I lost marks because I didn't get time. I lost marks for the question.
And the diagram is completely wrong. 3 mark.
Yeah.
3 mark completely wrong. Where is liver? Where is pancreas?
Mom, I drew the pancreas, but I didn't mention it, mom.
Where do you drawn?
Mom, I drew it, mom.
Above liver.
No, mom. Between stomach and the small intestine, like leaf type structure, I drew, mom.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the 11th question in the bio test that how guard cells regulate the opening and closing of the pore. So the answer I wrote is that water enters the guard cells and all of that I've written. So only one mark I got. Is there more explanation to that?
Wait, what you have written, I will tell you. Mithun, it is invisible.
Mom,
It's invisible leaf.
mom, no, mom.
It's completely invisible.
Mom, it is visible, mom. A little, mom.
Little. Oh, how am I switched off? Let me check here. My phone got switched off. Give me a second. Your bio paper.
Mom, but then I should get at least some mark for drawing all the organs
No,
except
not exactly. No, this is too much.
And ma'am, the 10th one.
You written only the this one part. Having the villi, you have told me. It is written about the only villi. What about the blood capillaries? This is the only one point you have
Oh,
written.
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Only one point you have written. You have to mention 2 points.
Okay, ma'am.
Mom, even I have a doubt once again. Mom, the fourth answer.
Yeah, 2 points.
My question paper, like my answer sheet.
Right now, maths is going on, no? So why we are wasting time right now?
Okay.
That I've closed.
Mom, will you cut marks because no statements are written?
Yes.
The answer is there, only the statement.
Well, is happening? One second, give me time. AP. Start solving these questions. It's already 8:53. I don't know how will I go home.
Ma'am,
Yes.
how many more classes are required for AP for me?
AP is no one or more. One or two, that's it.
Okay, ma'am.
I think only one. Tomorrow's class last.
Okay, ma'am.
2 questions, 4 questions, 3 questions are there. I need to solve this. Then done. Tomorrow is the last day.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, start solving. Very short answer. 1 markers. These are. Find the fifth term of an AP whose nth term is 3n minus 5. Nth term is this. So what is the fifth term?
Is it 10?
N fifth term. So n is equal to 5. Substitute. 5 3s are 15 minus 5. That is 10. Sum of the first 10 even numbers. Sum of first 10 even numbers.
100. 110.
That is 10 by 2. That is 20. 2 plus 20. That is 22. 5 into 22. 110. Write the nth term of odd numbers. An. You have to calculate an for all odd numbers. Starting from
1.
1.
Ma'am, till what? Like, till what, ma'am? Like,
What?
nth of
Nth term you have to calculate. A and D only needed.
A and D.
In terms of n, you are calculating.
Is it 2n minus 1?
Plus nth term of an odd numbers. Odd numbers is 1, 3, 5. So it is an is a, that is 1 plus n minus 1. Difference is 2. 1 plus 2n minus 2. 2n minus 1.
Mom, I got disconnected. I was actually
2n minus 1, ma'am. Answer.
Mom, I wanted to ask about my bio paper. I don't know a question where I lost a mark.
Send the question paper. I send the answer sheet.
Yeah, no, like I'm not able to get to know where did I lose a mark. Like I think I lost. Mom, can you just open my paper?
No, class is going, maths class is going on after that. Sum of first n natural numbers.
Is it n plus 1 by 2?
N into n plus 1 by 2.
How is it?
N into n plus 1.
How is it n into n?
Sum is sum of first n even numbers. Sum of first n even numbers.
So what's the answer?
You got the answer. What you got the answer?
What n into n?
Huh?
Not n plus 1, not n into n. Sorry.
Not getting what you want to tell.
Mom, what's the answer for the fourth one?
Fourth one I'm writing in front of you. Here I've solved it.
Sorry, fifth one. Even number, sorry, first n even numbers.
4 plus n minus 1 into 2. So it is 2n minus 2. That is n minus 1. N into n minus 1. N into n plus 1. Sixth one, nth term. Nth term, whenever they're asking any number they have not asked. So in place of n you are substituting and finding the answer. So do faster. What's the answer? Sixth one was the answer. What you doing?
Ma'am, here the order is different, ma'am. Like first the D value is first is like I'm getting 5
It's
and then
20. It's 20. It's printing mistake. It is 20.
oh okay.
Ma'am, I got the answers 5 and minus 11.
Which one? Which question?
Ma'am, sixth one.
Sixth one was the answer.
5 and minus 11.
5n minus 11.
Ma'am, that's what I got.
Mom, I got -5 -5.
Now I got 5n minus 15.
5 and minus 15 is not possible.
-5 and -5.
Yeah, minus
-5 minus
Yeah,
5.
yeah. -5 and -5.
Yeah, ma'am, it's -5 and -5.
I got 1 minus 5. Can't find it.
Nth term they are asking, no?
Ma'am, I got -5 and -5.
-5 and -5.
Yes, ma'am, I got the correct answer.
Ma'am, can you just tell how to do the sixth one?
Nth term A and you have to calculate. What is difference? A is -10. Difference is -5. A plus n minus 1 into D. A is -10 plus n minus 1 into -5. -10 minus 5n plus 5. So it is -10 plus 5 is -5 minus 5n.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, the next one is 1/9.
1/9, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am, 1
ma'am.
by 9.
Yes, right, is 1/9. Today we will stop here. It's 9:04.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe again I need to leave. I need to go home. Otherwise I will stuck here only.
So you're at the center.